For the passionate experimenter who thrives on precision, your journey begins now. Ready to dive in? It's time to get your hands on the future of coffee with MaraX3. The MaraX3 blends sophisticated design with tactile premiumness. Its stainless steel body provides a sleek, durable foundation, beautifully complemented by the warm, inviting wooden touch on the knobs, lever, portafilter, and tamper. It's a harmonious union of elegance and functionality. Let's discover how to use your MaraX3. Switch on the machine and wait for the pilot light to stop flashing. This indicates that it has reached the correct temperature for steam and hot water dispensing. To brew coffee, we recommend waiting a couple of additional minutes to ensure the perfect overall temperature. During the warm-up phase, lock the portafilter into the group head. This helps maintain temperature consistency right up to extraction. The Pagaia is the new flow control system developed by LELIT. It allows you to manually regulate the water flow from the group head throughout every stage of extraction, bringing out the very best in each coffee bean. Turn the Pagaia clockwise to increase pressure and water flow. Turn it counterclockwise to decrease them. The temperature configuration button lets you select the ideal extraction temperature, warm, hot, or extra hot, to enhance flavor according to the roast profile. Choose between X-Mode Steam, ideal for daily use and for preparing milk-based beverages. X-Mode Coffee, designed for espresso and specialty coffee enthusiasts. Every great cup of coffee is the result of precise balance, from grind size to brewing technique. Selecting the right amount and quality of freshly ground coffee is just as essential. Before brewing, set the Pagaia to the fully open position and perform a purge. The manometer displays both steam and water pressure, showing every change made through the Pagaia during extraction. The silent pump delivers outstanding performance with exceptional quietness. If the water tank runs empty during extraction, the reserve mode will automatically activate, allowing you to complete your brew. The corresponding LED will flash to indicate the lack of water. After extraction, always remove the coffee puck from the portafilter. Shall we talk about Cappuccino? Simply rotate the dedicated knob to dispense steam. MaraX3 features a 3-hole steam tip, delivering a more powerful dry steam. We recommend turning it for a few seconds before frothing milk to eliminate any possible water residue. And if you need hot water to prepare tea, infusions, or an Americano, simply open the dedicated hot water knob. To stop dispensing, turn the knob again. The drip tray can be easily removed for cleaning operations. After 30 minutes of inactivity, the MaraX3 automatically enters standby mode. To restart, simply pull the lever up and then down. Redefine your coffee ritual with MaraX3.